Hey guys, this is Legit Nesquig playing Minecraft Hunger Games on the map
Oh,
Coliseum. This is the
I
first.
want to meet Bajan.
Shut up, Brady. That's Brady52, who's noob, desperate for Beijing
Wait,
Canada.
which one did he just join? I didn't see.
This is the stalker right here. Beijing's in a live stream and Brady852's addicted to him. Gommel, I got wood sword. Give me the diamonds, give me the diamonds. Give me the diamonds. First kill, let's go. I hear chest being opened. Arrows. I got a boat, which doesn't matter at all.
Dude, I don't know where he went.
I'll go in the mine to kill these noobs. I know he took that chest and I'm gonna try. I dare you to stop at a chest or something. I want that lingerie boot plate. Ooh, are you crazy? Here we go, Booms. Okay. Go this way. Okay, now I don't know. Okay, here's one.
Oh wow, he joined the one that I didn't have entered in my computer. It was 6.
That one's been laggy lately.
I think. I'm not completely sure.
Okay, so I got a wood sword, lingerie boot plate. It's not much. Oh, he's a chest. Oh, laundry legging. Let's go.
Yeah, that's the one he's in. I'm just gonna play small mini games, I guess, until I find out.
Just play regular Hunger Games. You don't have to be with Ninja.
Yes, I do.
Oh god, that guy's about to die. No, it's my chest. It's my chest. Oh, I want those iron booties. You trying to punch me? Oh, how did I not hit him? Here we go.
What the? Oh, you suck, man. I'll make you waste your arrows on me. I'm
Bree, turn your
sex.
volume down. I can hear that. What now? I need a stone sword, if anything. Oh, here's someone. A wood axe is
Ah!
nothing. Now, give me that. Give me that boot plate.
He's killing people right now.
GG. Diamond, boot plate, launch, iron leggings. That's what I'm talking about. Leather helmet. Oh god, that's a good kill. I'm a top Baka right now with 4 kills. I don't want
Dude,
that.
the one I played yesterday, I was top Baka with 10 kills and I won.
Nice. Okay, I don't need those lingerie leggings. I don't need that flint. I hear a chest open and close. Well, that's just mine. Okay, I don't know. Here's the iron house. I'm for sure it's been taken. Yep. That test probably already been taken too. Now I need to kill the guy from behind who has that. Do I have a bow? Yes, I do.
Frankie, Bajan bought so many stuff, he's at negative 40 points.
Where is everybody? I need to find more people to kill. I'm a top Baka, I need to stay that way. Okay, if someone had a stone sword, I could probably hit him with a couple arrows and then kill him. Look at my armor. I almost have full iron armor. all I need to do is get a better helmet. Yeah, that was, or a diamond. That'd be even very nice. How many people? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 people left. Where is the competition?
Trying to become the top baka early. Come here.
Got myself a stone axe. Same thing as wood sword, but at least I got something. Nope. Oh, I didn't know that was there. Dang it! I don't want that.
Okay, after this.
Oh my god. Where is everybody?
I'm top baka by killing 2 people with wood axes while they were both AFK.
That's the noobest way to get top baka.
I'll take it.
I'll eat my only cookie.
And then I backed out.
There's a chest in this one. Stone sword, baby. Nothing. Ay ay ay. I don't want that raw chicken meat. I'm gonna keep the chicken alive.
Okay, Bajan's getting back on a new server.
5.
And there'll be only one
remaining.
on.
5 people remaining, so I better hurry and get that diamond. Interesting. What leads to here? Oh, I seen some name tag. I see a net name tag. Oh, if I can get him from behind. That's some hits. That's some hits. Holy crap! That's a diamond. That's a diamond.
He's so joining us. I feel it.
Give me the helmet. Give me the helmet. Give me the helmet. Give me the helmet. Don't care about anything else. Go craft myself a diamond sword. 45 seconds before deathmatch ends. Is there another crafting table over here?
Frankie's joining the one I'm in. Okay. Frankie, he's in the one I'm in.
Okay, you're in Binge's server. Congrats.
Ha.
God,
It's all
I'm being
it's
followed.
all diamonds, a mod, and him.
Oh god, that was close.
This is awesome.
2 diamonds. I don't have time to craft myself a sword.
The server's really laggy right now. I don't know why.
Oh.
Dude, what the heck? Dude, I'm lagging. What the heck?
Where's the stick? Where's the stick? Where's the stick? No, I threw my sticks away. No, I lost the diamonds. No, I'm gonna lose all my games. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's why there was lag. That guy
Yeah.
just explained it to me. People kept trying to join the server and it lagged it. Frankie.
I'm gonna win Hunger Games.
Frankie, go win
No.
and do it quickly so I can record my separate episode.
Oh my gosh, I won. GG, I didn't get my diamond sword, but I won with the stone axe. There's my
Alright.
diamonds. That's what I'm talking about. Whew.
Frankie,
Almost
I have
a liar.
to.
Let's go.
Hold on, let me see. How much
The
time's
Katniss
left till
for
this
the-
game?
Katniss for the end.
I have to put my
Alright,
dogs out,
thanks
but I
for
also
watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. I won with my stone axe. See you guys next time.